Okay, I was staying right down the hall here, and they're having an open house for the 3-bedroom villa. This is the Grand Villa. So, 7804. When you walk in, you have, it's just like really wide open, really cool. Right off to the right here, you have a bathroom, full bath. This is a 4 full bath here. You got your soaps, nice little vanity, huge closet for storage. You have your washer and dryer here. Wow, this is beautiful. Floor to ceiling windows right here in the living room. Look at this. Huge flat screen TV. You have your USB plugs. You have a little surround sound system here. Blu-ray player. Little seating area here. Area rug. Look at that. Wow. Some chairs for seating. Here's the kitchen. Huge galley style kitchen. You get that stone here. More plugs. Really cool. Ice bucket. Coffee. Stove. Microwave. Also, these Grand Villas, they all have plates. Real plates, real silverware. Real dishware. It's amazing. Glassware. Wine glasses, because you're going to need a bottle of wine here as well. And right off the front here, this looks like a master suite. Wow, look at this. Huge king bed. Little nightstands. Flat screen TV. You have your dresser. And then your balcony goes the whole length. We'll go out there after. Goes the whole length. You also have a sitting chair here. Plugs. Phone. Beautiful. Look at the artwork and the chair. The types of fabrics that they use. It's absolutely stunning. You have a ceiling fan and then a little seating area here with some more storage. Wow, look at this bathroom. Room for towels. All of that. You have your sink as well. Still have the jetted tub. Some of the new renovations do not have this. So this is a plus. And then a walk-in shower. You have a bath and a shower. And then of course the Lion King draw. I love that. It's beautiful. Let's go upstairs. Oh, there's another closet here for hanging clothes. And then of course a little seating area here on the side. And seating for 6, 7, 8. And then you have 4 at the bar. So you could have a whole family reunion here if you have enough points. I've never been in a Grand Villa before, so I appreciate DVC letting me do a walkthrough. Oh wow, there's a door upstairs. If you're on there's a whole other floor you can get into. You get these like bamboo poles. Look at this. I mean, look at the view. This is so cool. You can see it all. No animals out there right now, but we'll go out later. So you have a little table here. You can put some treats, snacks, if you have a whole bunch of kids staying. And then off here to the side, there's another suite. I love the way this is set up, by the way. You have your own bathroom dedicated to each room. 2 beds here. You can sleep 2 and 2. And then you have your own balcony here also. Gosh, that's amazing. There's a giraffe. There's a giraffe right there. This is what you wake up to. Good morning. I'm here with my coffee. Oh, and then this is their separate one over there. Let's go check that one out. Beautiful lamp with great stitching. Look at that stitching. Another beautiful bathroom. This looks like the one we stayed in the studio, but ample room. Oh, beautiful piece of artwork. And then this is your sitting area. You have another couch. And then same mirrored bedroom, bathroom over here. Just gorgeous. And you get your own balcony as well. And there's a giraffe right there. You have your own TV. Kids would love this. And then another, it's a smaller bathroom, but still huge. Got a mirror, commode, and then your overlook over here. Look at this light. So cool. And then this is your view from above. That is the Grand Villa. Wow. Look at that art. And you have your own door on 2 floors. Forgot to mention there's a TV in the bathroom. Hey, you're in the tub? Watch some television. TV's everywhere. Your balcony goes from tip to tip. Plenty of seating out here. And I would just hang out here. I don't even need to go to the parks. I have a giraffe right here. There's some zebra. What? There's some zebra over here. This is what I mean. You can stay and look over the sunset savanna here. This is unbelievable. And then above you is our balcony as well. That is the 3-bedroom villa, Grand Villa, here at Kidani Village. It's spectacular.
Remember to hit that subscribe button. This was a fantastic trip. I thank DVC for letting me take a tour around this beautiful room. And yeah, are you a DVC member? Comment down below. This is my favorite resort. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, dudes.